You can change your master profile code at any time. Please note that once you have changed your code, team members tied to your old code will no longer have their systems updated when you make changes to yours. This includes notifications, so you will need to inform your team before changing your code if you want them to be able to follow you. This is used most frequently when teams grow so large that they need to be split into more manageable group sizes. To change your master profile code, go to your Config tab and select Change Master Profile Code from the drop-down menu. From here, you can view your current master profile code and enter a new one. Click the button to complete the change. You can copy some or all of the sections of another master profile as long as you have their master profile code. This is used most frequently when sharing quick launch, daily success steps, or templates between masters. To copy sections from another master profile, go to your Config tab and select Copy Master Profile from the drop-down menu. From here, you can enter the master profile code you want to copy and select the sections you want to import. Warning: copying will delete the information you currently have in that section of your system and replace it. If you would like to copy from more than one master profile, please do so one at a time. For example, if you want to copy Bob's quick launch and Sarah's daily success steps, first enter Bob's code, then check the box next to quick launch and click the button to copy. Then enter Sarah's code, uncheck the quick launch box, check the box next to daily success steps, and click the copy button. If you need to undo an overwrite of your system, you can do so by going to your Config tab and selecting Restore Master Profile from the drop-down menu. From here, you can select the sections to restore to their previous configuration. Please note that only the most recent version is restorable. If you copy Bob's quick launch, then copy Sarah's quick launch, using the Restore feature will take you back to Bob's version. You will not be able to use Restore again to get back to your own version. At any time, you can downgrade your master profile into a clone profile. This is used most frequently when multiple teams are consolidating. To do so, go to your Config tab and select Change to Clone Profile from the drop-down menu. Here you can enter the code of the master whose system you want to emulate, then click the button to complete the change. Please note that clones do not have as many ways to customize their system, and the changes they make do not impact anyone else on their team. For more information about making changes to your statuses and tasks, please refer to that section. In addition to the many contact source options that come with your system, you can also create or edit up to 5 additional custom sources. To access these fields, go to your Config tab and select Contact Sources from the drop-down menu. Make any edits necessary and click the button to save your changes. Depending on your particular sales process, you and your team may find it very helpful to consistently collect more kinds of information than standard contact data. To access your customizable fields, go to your Config tab and select Custom Input Fields from the drop-down menu. Here you can title up to 9 different fields. These are frequently used to gather information like the contact's hobbies, spouse's name, qualifying metrics, and other personal data that has been found to improve your sales process conversion ratio. Be sure to click the button to save your changes and instantly apply them to your team. For more information about either making changes to your quick launch or making changes to your daily success steps, please refer to those sections. Notifications appear on the dashboard of everyone on your team. To edit your team's notifications from you, go to your Config tab and select Notifications. Here you can edit the title and contents, including the formatting. Click Update to apply your changes. Your new message is instantly and automatically updated for your whole team, as well as anyone outside your team who chooses to follow your notifications. Your facts allow you and your team to quickly and easily access responses to the most commonly encountered objections. Your system can handle up to 16 facts. To edit an existing FAQ or add a new one, go to your Config tab and select FAQ Builder from the drop-down. Use the fields to make any changes necessary. Be sure to save. The question field appears here on the FAQ page. The button label appears here. The rebuttal field appears in a pop-up activated by clicking the corresponding button. Your product recommender allows you and your team to quickly identify the best products for the most commonly encountered problems presented by your prospects and customers and operates just like the facts. Your system can handle up to 16 issues. To edit an existing issue or add a new one, go to your Config tab and select Product Recommender from the drop-down menu. Use the fields to make any changes necessary and be sure to save at the bottom. The issue field appears here on the PR page. The button label appears here. The product field appears in a pop-up activated by clicking the corresponding button.